Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set custom ringtone in Samsung A55 5G. So for setting up the custom ringtone guys, first of all, you have to download an application called Zedge. This application is already downloaded on my device. So after installing it, just click to open and then go to sounds option. Here we have a ringtones. So these are the custom ringtones by the way. Firstly, you have to install this. Okay, I am using this one. I'm using the iPhone one, so just tap on the tone and then click to download. After that guys, just tap to set ringtone, and as you see the standard ringtone is now updated. So now let's check. Just go to settings, go to sounds and vibration, and go to ringtone, and as you guys see the the ringtone is now saved as iPhone 13, 12 and 11. So that's how guys we can change we can set up the custom ringtone in Galaxy A55 5. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.